Hey, this is Josh from Josh Builds, and today we're going to be making a mini power plant. Now for this little power plant, we're going to be using Peltier elements. And the Peltier elements were those white little squares that you saw before. And basically what they do is they convert a difference in heat into electricity. So we're going to start off by getting some copper tubes and banging them flat, and this is basically going to be used to just create a frame for our little power plant and something that transfers heat very well. Now for our little power plant, the Peltier elements, they work off of a difference in temperature. So basically what we want is one side to be cold and one side to be hot. So for the cold side, we're going to fill up these tin cans here with water. And for the hot side, we're going to have flames on the bottom of this. Now we want to secure the Peltier element in between the hot side and the cold side, and we want a lot of pressure on both sides so that the hot side just stays very hot and the cold side gets cooled very well. Now we can test the voltage that this creates. Right now there are candles underneath, but the cold side does not have any water in it, so it isn't that cold actually. Now we can try powering a little motor from it. And as you can see, the motor spins pretty well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this up with a cell phone charger. Now to charge a phone, we're going to need a little more power from these, so I'm going to add some water, some more cold water into the cold side of this, and now that should help us generate a little more electricity. And now let's plug it into the phones to see if we get enough electricity to charge a phone. And as you can see, it charges the BlackBerry, and I'll also hook it up to my Samsung phone, and it charges that too.